How many Teslas do you see on the road on a day-to-day basis? I know I see loads, but I can promise you, you've never seen or more heard a Tesla quite like this one. That's right, we've completed another fantastic audio build, but this one is not for a customer. This is for 4-car audio. So they came to us with their Tesla Model Y. And I said, why? And they said, we want audio in it. And I said, why? And they said, we want to demo the new VOCE 2 range. Now, a lot of people are a little bit scared of fitting audio and electrical equipment into an electric car like this. So we're here to show you, you don't really need to be worried. So the base audio setup in this car is not too bad. It can definitely do with improvement. So it has a factory 6.5-inch woofer in the door here. You've got a tweeter behind this mesh here, and then you have a mid in the dash. So works perfectly for us. We've used the VOCE 2 6.5-inch in the door, the VOCE 2 3-inch in the dash, and the VOCE 2 tweeter up here. So all in the factory locations, all behind the original grills, and there is a 4-inch center stage speaker which we replaced for a coaxial. Now the other part of this was sound deadening. Now in electric cars, sound deadening is probably one of the most important things to do, because what you have to imagine is there's no engine noise, there's no exhaust noise to drown out the road noise. It's all road noise in these cars, so sound deadening is very, very important. So we have absolutely caked these two front doors in SKINZ sound deadening, and we've also implemented phonocar wave diffuser on top of that sound deadening in the doors and on the door cards itself. So the acoustics in this door are a lot more friendly. So let me show you what kind of difference that's made. So every panel on this car sounds like this. If you can hear that. Terrible. No factory sound deadening at all. With sound deadening, it sounds like this. Woohoo! Much better.
Perfect.
So for amplification, we have done some special work here too. We have used the Audison AF M8.14, which is their Forza range of amplifiers with the built-in processors. And we've also included an AF M4D, which is a 4-channel stereo amplifier. Now, the audio from the factory head unit is sent into this DSP amplifier, and then that's all tuned and then sent back out to the speakers. This amplifier with the processor also controls the output to this amplifier. So everything is controlled through here. We have the 4-channel amplifier driving the lower woofers in the doors, and then 2 channels bridged for the subwoofer, and then the rest of the channels are all driving the speakers inside the cabin. So that's the 3-inch on the dash, the 4-inch in the center, the 2 tweeters, and the 2 rear speakers as well. And the last thing we've implemented in the center here is the Audison Beacon. So that is a high-res Bluetooth streaming adapter. So if you want to be able to stream high-res audio, so FLAC files, stuff from Tidal and stuff like that, if you want to be able to do that, unfortunately streaming it through the head unit, you lose all of that quality. So streaming directly through this Audison Beacon, through an Android phone or a DAC player or something like that, that allows you to send the audio signal through an optical cable directly into the amplifiers without losing any quality. So you're getting some serious audiophile sound quality directly into the speakers. And we've also included an Audison 10-inch sub-enclosure in the floor. So the full floor can sit back on top. You have nothing on view, but if you want to have this on show, you can do. So let's stop talking about it. Let's give you a sound test.
You win.
Right, so jumping in the car, I'll quickly talk about what we've done in this cabin area. You may be able to spot this little control panel that we've made here. So this is the DRC AC. This is what controls the DSP system. You have overall volume control. You can change the source, so you can go from optical to the head unit. You have different tunes that you can set up on this, so I can flick between different types of music or different amounts of people in the car for time alignment, and you can use it as a subwoofer controller. So let me give you guys a demo. I'm just going to pop it in drive. So let's play it. Oh. Wow. about 3/4. This is, let me turn that down. This is on another level. Everything is so well balanced. The amount of brightness I'm getting out of the center stage here that we've done. Obviously we've got the mids and that center stage in the dash here. We've got the tweeters firing right towards me. So much warmth from these woofers in the doors. I'm really happy with these woofers. And then the sub in the back is just balancing everything out. It's not too overpowering. It's just a fantastic experience just listening to this. I mean, this isn't any high res, high audio grade quality sound. This is just some copyright free music that we're using. But I mean, if this is running through the Beacon with the high res and everything like that, if you've got some real music playing on this, it's gonna sound serious. So it's not a loud audio system. It's not what it's for. This is designed as a high quality, an SQ system. This is designed to give you the best possible sound quality. So no wonder these speakers are a lot better. I mean, when we pulled the original speakers out, you can see side by side the differences, the magnet size, the general materials that have been used for the speakers in this car. It's a big difference. I mean, all across the board, the woofers, the mids, the tweeters, everything is many steps above what has actually come out of this car. So no wonder it sounds great. I mean, I'm gonna carry on listening because this is serious. Okay, so that's all complete. What do you think? Now, it can be a little bit difficult to understand what a vehicle like this sounds like through, you're probably watching on a phone or even through headphones. It can be a little bit difficult, but in person, this thing sounds the nuts. But to recap on what we've done in this vehicle, we've fitted the new Audison VOCE 2 range. That consists of the 6.5-inch mid woofer, the 3-inch mid, and the tweeters, a 4-inch coaxial speaker in the center stage, and then the Audison 10-inch subwoofer under the floor in the boot. We've also then used the Audison Forza 8-channel amplifier along with the Forza 4-channel amplifier, a Beacon audio streaming device, and the DRC AC, which is sat in the center console on that custom panel there. And last but not least, sound deadening. We've done plenty of sound deadening in the doors to make this car a lot more acoustically friendly. So that's it for the video. All the products will be linked in the description so you can see exactly what we've used. I think it sounds wicked. What do you guys think? Drop it in the comments below. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. That's right, we've completed another audio build. Oh, I'm trying to film.
Oh, that's sick.
Allow it.
This one is for Audison UK.